The Ministry of Health plays basic rules with other ministries and parties in taking all organizational measures that contribute to the success of the 2020 National Assembly election.
The Ministry of Health, represented by Medical Emergencies, has completed all preparations related to the voting day for the National Assembly elections 2020. More in the following report with Hadil Fahad.
The Ministry of Health, represented by Medical Emergencies, has completed all the preparations related to the voting day for the National Assembly elections 2020 by providing all the necessary medical service in preparation for the election day, whether from medical clinics or emergency medical technicians and ambulances.
The Ministry of Health and the Department of Emergency Medical Services are preparing for this election time, spreading all the personnel and everybody who works in the ambulance service as paramedics and EMTs, and of course we've got the help of our colleagues of nurses spread out in the election areas, which is the schools that's going to be used for election, and we have a small clinic in each school to help people who are in need, just in case if anything happened during the election. We'll be there, and of course we have our ambulance vehicles roaming around the area for each let's say 2 or 3 schools or areas where there's going to be elections, that we will have an ambulance that's driving around just in case it'll be close by for any emergency to transfer the patient and of course treat the patient and transfer him to the nearest hospital.
In light of the repercussions of the COVID-19 pandemic, the voter must be aware of the importance of taking precautions and health and preventive requirements.
In the time of Corona and the COVID-19 spreading out, we try to advise our viewers that to be precautious and stay with the complete protection of gloves and masks and keep the distance between each other and listen to our authorities of our Interior Ministry and of course the Ministry of Health.
The ambulatory treatment centers are ready to receive emergency and non-emergency cases, as well as assisting people with special needs in performing their right to vote in the elections. Hadil Fahad, to Kuwait English News.